Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss in this video what is Google Timeline and how to use this and how to on these features and off it. Sometime you got a mail something like this in which mention that you are receiving this mail because you turn on location history. Let's see first of all how to use this feature. Just come to your mobile screen and open the app Google Maps. Here you open that mail to which you want to see location history or just open that mail which created in this mobile for use. After selecting the particular mail, here you will get your timeline option. Tap on that, you will find the feature of timeline. First tab is for day, it's mean in which day where you gone or visited. All information you will get here. Let's select any date and find on particular day where you gone and all. As I selected any particular date, you can see that all visited information are showing here. Like this you can find any date visited history here. If your location history is on in the app, like this in trip tab you can find all trip history where to where you visited. In inside tab you can find your all visited inside date wise. In place tab you can find location history place wise where you gone till date. In the city tab you can find location history city wise in which city you travel till date from you on this feature. In World tab, you can find all history about world trip information when you go on which country. If you own location history in your mobile, you will get all location history in Google Map timeline. Let's see how to on this option on Google Map and how to off this option too. Here in Google Map, you can see your profile icon. Tap on that. Now showing here Google account option, tap on that. As you tap, now you are in Google account setting screen. Here you swap your screen and find data and privacy tab. Select that and scroll down and find location history option. Here you can see your location history is on. That's why your location history are showing in Google timeline. If you want that all this history didn't show there, then off this option. For that you are getting arrow like symbol beside this. Tap on that. As you tap, your location history setting will open. Now scroll down your screen and you will find here in one side on option and other side turn off option. For turn off, tap on turn off option. As you tap, you will get message of your location history is off, and bottom screen you will get OK button. Tap on that. As you tap, your location history feature will off. From here after, your location history will not appear in timeline. If you want to on it again, then tap on turn on option. After that, scroll down your screen and you will find the option turn on here. Tap on that. As you tap your Google Map, this feature will on, and hereafter your location history data will available in timeline. After that, bottom of screen you are getting OK button. Tap on that. Now this feature is on. Hereafter, your location history will save in Google Map timeline, and anywhere you go, you can check this by location wise, day wise, and all. I hope this video you got informative. For that, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification for next video.